There's something that just hits right when you flip through a sticker book. It's so satisfying. So I decided to use my Cocoa Daisy stickers and make my own. I sorted them and then I put some clips on to make sure they're nice and tight. Used my Tombow Mono Glue. It's my favorite glue, not too liquidy. It's just perfect for this situation. And then I just put the binder clips back on to dry. While that was drying, I grabbed some of my kit paper and trimmed it to the size of those larger sticker papers. Now I did leave a little bit of overhang on the edges to make sure that when I threw it into my purse, the stickers wouldn't get damaged. I found yet another use for the clear acrylic paper that comes in the kits each month, and this time it's for a cover. Now it's time to put our dried sticker book into its cover. I went ahead and used that same glue and took a generous bead down the middle so I can place the sticker book right in the spine of that cover. Then kind of sandwiched it in and put a bunch of binder clips on it so it would stay nice and tight while it dried. Went and took a shower, came back, and it was good to go. Probably only about a half an hour, and here's the flip through. Now, I didn't have any stickers that were damaged in the gluing process, and now I get to decorate the cover a little bit. I did add a little pocket in the back for the smaller stickers, and I think it turned out really great. I've thrown it in my purse for all these weeks now, and it's still holding up strong. Hope you make one too.